Here is our beautiful Odyssey Entegra 31F, spacious Class C RV. She has bunk beds, private bedroom suite, full panoramic window, 5 TVs, electronic labeling system, and much more. Let's take Kiawah Kruiser is attached to Ford E450 chassis. Over the cabin, there is a full-size bunk with personal TV and one of my favorites, full panoramic view window that provides sunlight and stargazing experience at night. Our Kiawah Kruiser is equipped with spacious kitchen. Here we have dinnerware, utensils, coffee machine and coffee cups of course, stove and oven with lights, vent, microwave, pots and pans for cooking. Here is our fridge and freezer and plenty of space for snacks. Okay, now I'm hungry. Kiawah has multiple charging stations to keep your devices charged. This couch is perfect when you need to relax on a hot day. Both this couch and dinette transform into beds to sleep comfortably after an exciting day of camping. Bunk beds always remind me of childhood, and these bunks are comfy. They have storage space, windows, lights, curtains for privacy, and their own TVs. And here is the master bedroom that can be accessed through the bathroom or the hallway. I love these mirrors, closet, and drawers that fit lots of clothes and accessories. Super comfy queen-size bed that we love watching movies in. There are 2 reading lights over the bed and more storage for sheets and towels. 2 sliding doors for complete privacy. Let's talk about bathroom. Knock, knock, knock. Oh, hey! Our RV has a large-size shower as well as outdoor shower for those sandy feet. Mirror and sink. Bathroom gets natural light from the sunroof. Plenty of storage and toilet, of course.